What's up YouTube, Regitech here, and today you see no tech on my desk. And why is that, you may ask? It's because we're going to do something a little different today. We're going to be doing a little DIY home improvement project. And we're going to do that with these little corner guards. These corner guards are made and sold by Ella's Home Products, and you can find them on Amazon. So, this is basically how they come. They come in a pack of 20. Here's the cover of the little package that it comes in. It comes in a little plastic wrap. And it comes with a set of instructions on how to install them and properly remove them so you don't leave any residue or damage any of your products. So basically, when I came across these things, they're being advertised as baby-proofing your home products. So although that is a really great thing to have, and I do think that these will do a really great job of baby-proofing your house, because they are made of a nice rubbery silicone material that has a nice cushion as well as a nice rounded off edge. So what I thought about using these for, because I don't have a baby or I don't have to baby-proof my house, I thought of using this for any corners of desks, chairs, tables, or TV stands. And that's basically because of two reasons. No matter what age we are, and that goes along with the baby-proofing thing. We always stub our toes, we can hit our bodies, we're in a rush to do things sometimes at our house, we're moving things around, and sometimes we get hurt. You know, we stub our toes, we scrape ourselves, we may even bruise ourselves while walking past a table. And that hasn't only happened to me, and that's happened to a lot of people, and it does constantly happen. So my thought in using these little things are to basically protect the edges of your desk, table, chair, or whatever products you may have, as well as protecting yourself from getting any stub toes or any serious injury that may happen when you bump into something. So basically, what I say when I mean protect your furniture is, if you have anything with a squared off edge or a sharp edge or anything like that, you can put these things on the corner of them so that you won't ever have to worry about them starting to fray or chip or get dents or get scratches or anything like that, or the paint starting to chip on them. And that's something that's common with anything that's wood or metal. You know, we have desks that are made of wood, or you can have a table made out of metal or anything like that. And sometimes it gets hit, it gets damaged. You know, we always start to move things around and start to rearrange things. And in doing that, you sometimes damage your furniture. So the worst thing to see, in my opinion, is to see a dent or your wood start to chip on the edges of your products. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on some of my products that I have here at the house and check out how they look, how they feel, maybe even try a bump test with it just to see if it'll hurt or not, or hurt as much. So let's go ahead and start applying these to some products, and I'll check you guys back after that. Okay, you guys, this is basically Exhibit A of what I was talking about, of your desk getting dented or chipped or the wood starting to fray. This desk has been moved around a lot and has definitely took some wear and damage over time. And that's something that could have definitely been prevented had I had known and used these little corner protectors. And, that would have definitely kept this desk's life a little bit longer, as well as, kept it in pristine condition. But that's just an example that I wanted to show you guys of what could happen to the corner of desks and what has happened, because I, didn't have anything to protect the corner of the desk. So I'm not going to go ahead and install these on this desk, as it is already old and the edges have gotten dents and scratches and fraying wood and stuff like that. But I'll go ahead and put it on some new stuff that I have, and we'll take it from there. So here we have my TV stand, and it basically does have those sharp edges both at the top and at the bottom, where it has a lift to basically lift it off the ground. So, you could either hurt yourself by basically walking into this, you can hit your ankle, or you can even graze the top of your foot. And I can tell you right now, this thing is extremely sharp down here at the bottom. So that could definitely do some kind of damage to you. The top here, you can either, basically by walking past it, you can graze your knee or something like that. It doesn't cause that much damage, but it is something that, could potentially cause some kind of damage to you. And that can all be prevented with these little corner guards. And also, I'm going to be moving soon, so I really do want to keep this stuff in really good condition. And while moving, as any of you guys know, it does definitely tend to destroy your belongings. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to this TV stand and see how it looks. So basically what you're going to want to do is take these little covers off the adhesive these little paper tabs. And you're just going to want to go ahead and line this up and push it directly into the corner of your product that you have. And you're going to want to go ahead and give it a nice little firm hold and make sure that it's pressed down completely. So now this is here and it has a really strong hold. It has some really good adhesive on that. And that's basically it. To put one on the bottom, I'm going to just do the same exact thing again. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this on the bottom corner as well. Just give that a nice little push. Press it in there. And that's basically it. Now, if I were to walk past this, and this doesn't happen all the time, but it may happen and it could happen. Now, if I walk past it, my foot would basically glide over this little rubbery silicone thing, and it doesn't actually hurt at all. Even if I go to hit it, you do feel some pain, but at least you're not going to be, scratched, or you're going to be hurt by a really sharp pointed edge. The same thing goes for the top here. As I'm walking past it, I wouldn't get hurt by that little thing right there at all. And this definitely will help me when I'm moving, because I won't have to worry about the edges getting dense or damaged at all. And that's something really good. I'm going to go ahead and, eventually apply it to all parts of this TV stand, all 4 sides. Okay, you guys, so here I have basically my main desk, and this is the desk that I do most of my work on. So it's a brand new desk that I bought when I moved here, but unfortunately I'm moving soon. As you can see, it looks like a total mess under there, with everything being packed and stacked up under the desk to keep it out of the way. So basically, this desk has a different kind of edge. It does have a sharp edge right here at the point right here, but it is beveled a little bit above and around the total side of it. So taking a look at that, you can see that it is rounded off a little bit. And I really do want to protect this desk, as I did pay a lot of money for it, and it is basically an investment for me. So using those little corner guards, I'm going to go ahead and put them on the corners, and we'll see if they stick to even a beveled edge. Going to go ahead and press that down. And you know what? That actually sticks really well on that beveled edge. So I can't even remove it. I can't pull it up or anything. And the only way that I can see this possibly coming off is with heat, as they do say in the instructions. So I won't be removing these just yet, because I am moving and I don't really want to waste any of them, because I have a lot of things to put these on. But as you can see, it really does stick very well. I can't even pull it off, anything like that. It sticks very nicely and well, and it creates a nice cushion at the edge of this desk, and that will definitely protect it from getting damaged while moving. Alright, you guys, so I've pretty much tried this out on 2 different products, and they seem to stick extremely well and also provide that cushion and protection that for both your product and yourself. Now, I do think that these are a really good product that I did come across, and they're made by Ella's Home. And I think that these products will definitely protect your baby if you are baby-proofing your house. I think that they will protect them from getting a serious injury, as well as protecting yourself from any sudden and, clumsy mistake that may happen, because they happen to all of us, to be honest. Also, they do provide protection to the corners of your desks or chairs or TV stands or anything else that you may have that have a 90-degree edge or a squared-off edge. And that's a pretty good aspect of them. They have a really nice adhesive that do stick them to the table, and I can't even pull this off from the table right now. So to take it off, I would have to use that heat technique that it does say in the little instructions that they provided. So all in all, I think these are a really nice product to have to use, whether you're baby-proofing your house or just want to create a comfort zone for yourself, as well as protecting your products. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link to them in the description box below. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to follow my pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And I do want to hear from you guys, so drop some comments down in the comment section below if you like these little DIY projects and if I should continue doing them. Also, if you guys have any DIY projects that you guys want me to try out or need advice on, go ahead and drop those comments down in the comment section, and I will try to see how I can get some videos on that or perform them or give you guys advice on how to do them. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.